Hey, hi everybody. I hope you are doing great. You having a great time at home and riding as well. So, I'm making this video because of a very simple reason. I won't say the first, but the reason for me making this video is going to be that my Z900 is actually making a ticking sound. Okay, now this particular sound which is making is really irritating because it's to some extent loud, and for that reason I went to the service center to actually make them hear the sound how the bike is actually making that weird kind of a noise from the engine. So after having a very brief check, they assumed that there might be a little bit of leakage from the header gasket because I've changed the entire exhaust fire and made my Z900 of full system exhaust. So what has happened? There might be a little amount of a leakage from the bike, and let me first make you hear the noise, and then I'll continue with the video. Let's go and see how the ticking noise is and whether you are able to hear it or not. Okay. So here's the bike, and it's been sitting idle for a long time. So it's good that I'm going to do a quick cold start of it, and you will be able to hear the sound. Okay, do comment if you are able to hear it properly. So let me fire this up. Now I guess you are able to understand how the bike is making that ticking noise, and it's literally loud. Okay, it's literally loud, and while you are riding also, and you are wearing a helmet as well, so you are able to hear that ticking noise. So I hope that this is not the problem of a starter relay. Second, it is not the problem of a tappet because high-end bike do not have the issue of a tappets. But if it was a problem of a starter relay, then the bike would not have even started up well, which is not happening. Bike is firing at one go itself. Hence, there are high chances that if this kind of noises are actually getting generated from the engine of the Z900, hence there would be a leaking gasket header that needs to be rectified. So this is the part one of the video. So what I will do once I get it rectified, I'll also make that video on what exactly actually happens and how things get rectified. So in that case, if any one of you is having this kind of an issue, please make sure that you check your gaskets, your relay motor as well, until unless the bike is not firing. But generally, do comment if you are facing this kind of an issue and what you have done, so that I can also make sure that these are not happening in the later future, while the part 2 would be also be available once I get it rectified as well.